Hello students, in our last video we have learned the basic topics of our geometry. Let us solve our exercise problem. So exercise 4.1, use the figure to name. This is the first one figure. So here we have O, D, E, C, B, right? So here is the question. First 5 points. So points we know, 5 points are O is 1 point here, D is 1 point, sorry E is 1 point, D is 1 point, B is 1 point and C is 1 point. So totally we have 5 points and B is a line. So a line is a DB is a line. DB is a line which has starting and ending point. For race. So OE, OD, OB and OC are the 4 rays. Okay. Next is a 5 line segment. So 5 line segment. OE, ED, OB, OC and EB. So these are all the 5 line segments, right? So second question we have here is, name the line given in, this is the second line they are given in the question. So line given in all 12 ways. We have to say the lines possible by these points. Choosing only 2 letters, time from 4 given. So there are only 4 points given, A, B, C, D. 4 points. From 4 points we have to mention the 12 lines using only 2 letters, not 3 or 4 letters at a time. Okay. So AB, AC, AD, BC, BD, CD, BA, CA, DA, CB, DB, DC. These are all the 12 possible lines from a given 4 points. Understood? So the line can be reverse or can be in a forward, because 12 lines we have to mention. So we can say in the reverse order also. Have you understood this? Yes. So our third question, using the figure to name. This is a figure given. Line containing point E. So we have to say the one line contain E. So EF is a line. See, E and F. Okay. So second B is line passing through A. So line passing through A is A to E. A to E. Okay. Next, line on which O lies. So line on which O lies. So here we have BO and BC. So there are 2 possible, BO and BC. And third, final question we have 2 pairs of intersecting line. 2 pairs of intersecting line is CO or AE, intersecting line. Intersecting, you know, no? CO or AE or FE. Okay. So there are 2 lines drawn. So 2 lines also you can mention. So 2 lines also you can mention. So our next question we have, how many lines can pass through one given point? So there are infinity. Infinity means what? We cannot count it. Okay. We cannot count it. There are many numbers of line can pass through the given point. Right? Okay. Second, 2 given point. So how many line can pass through the 2 given point? There is only one line can pass through the two given point. Okay, and the last fifth question. So sixth question I want no. Okay, fifth question I will solve. Sixth question I want solve to be by yourself. So draw a rough figure labeled suitably in each of the following. Point B lies on AB. So point B lies on AB. So P, this is a point AB which is lies on P. And the second question is XY and PQ intersect M. So XY is a line, M is intersecting the line. Okay. Line else contains E, F but not D. So this is E, F, and L is a line which can extend. OP and OQ meet at O. OP and OQ meet at O. This is a O, Q and P which is meeting at O. So P is which is intersecting at O, Q is also intersecting at O. So O is a common point for P and Q. Okay, so if you know these topics well, you can draw or you can solve the problem easily. I hope you understood with this. So thank you so much for watching the video.